So what's going on YouTube? Today we found a treasure chest. Take a look. So look at this case. Let's try this. Let's open this guy up. Boom. There, and then it just goes up like so. Boom. Without messing around, we get one of these. It's called the VOLTME EVO Go, which is an easy travel USB-C power. We get another one, but it's just a smaller one, I'm guessing. EVO Go, but easy travel desktop charger. Big boy right here, the Revo 240. Huge guy. How about another charger? This is the Revo 65 EVO. Another power adapter, Revo 100. Let's look for a bigger charger if you need one. The Revo 140 right here. Another smaller guy, but another charger as well, which is the Revo 30 EVO. Bigger guy right here if you want a 65 watt charger. That's the Revo 65 right there. You also get the instruction manuals and kind of like a pamphlet and the manual right there. We get a couple of charging blocks, the Revo 30 Mini 2 right there. Another one, the Revo 30 Mini 2. I think it's just the same guy right here. We get two of those, just different colors. One is black right there, black, and the other one is blue. Pretty nice. We also get a few chargers like for your car. This is the Cazo 30CA car charger. Great for 30-watt charging. Of course, none of these would work. You'll need USB-C cables. This is what we get as well from VOLTME. The first one what we got here is the USB-C to USB-C power link. This is good for 60 watts. Another USB-C to USB-C link. This is also a braided cable. Great for 100 watts, this guy. Another USB-C to USB-C power link right here. Non-braided cable, 60 watts right there. Another one with a 90-degree. That's nice, right? USB-C to USB-A charging cable. Also good for 60 watts. And the USB-C braided cable, same as before. Good for 100 watts, but a blue version of it. Pretty nice. Now that we've got everything out of the box, let's look at the features and also test it out and see how well it does. Again, if you want to get one of these, I'll link these down below, so go ahead and check that out. First up, we have the EVO Go. No, it's not a type of energy drink, although it might just be as essential. The little powerhouse is your ultimate travel companion. Compact, sleek, and ready to go wherever you do. With the EVO Go, you're looking at the 75 watt of power in your pocket. It can charge your laptop, smartphone, and tablet all at once. I mean, who needs friends when you've got devices to keep you company, right? Just kidding. Well, kind of. And get this, it has USB C ports and USB A ports as well. It can charge anything from your ancient MP3 player to the latest gadgets you just had to have. Admit it, you're a tech hoarder, and this is your enabler. Next up, we have the Revo 240. Sounds like a spaceship, right? Well, it might as well be because this thing is out of this world. 240 watts of raw, unaltered power. It's like the Hulk of chargers minus the green rage. You got a gaming laptop that's as power hungry as a teenage boy at an all you can eat buffet? No problem. The Revo 240 will keep it fed and happy. Plus, it's got a GaN technology, which means it's more efficient and generates less heat so you can game on without turning your desk into a frying pan.
Stop it. Get some help.
Now let's talk about the Revo 65. Think of it as the little sibling of the Revo 240. Less power but still packing a punch. Perfect for those days when you're out and about and needing a quick top up without carrying a brick in your bag. At 65 watts, it's perfect for smartphones, tablets, and all those ultra portable laptops like the brand new Apple Silicon MacBooks. Plus, it's compact enough to fit in your pocket, which means more room in your bag for snacks. Of course, we love our snacks. Priorities, people. Now let's talk about the Revo EVOs. Now, if you are looking for a thinner power brick, it only has one USB-C, but you'll be able to have it against the wall like this and have your couch right up against to it, and it won't bother it, so it's really cool. to still be able to charge on tight spots for your iPhone or your laptop. Finally, let's not forget the unsung heroes, the VoltMe's USB-C cables. These aren't just any cables. These are braided nylon, which never tangles and super durable. These bad boys come with the reinforced joints and high quality materials. They can withstand the rough and tumble of daily use, which is more than what I can say for my last pair of headphones. Rest in peace. Or maybe your charger that, came with your iPhone. That phrase in like a week. Whether you're charging your phone, tablet, laptop, or even your pet robot, hey, we're in that future, right? VoltMe's USB-C cables have got you covered. They support fast charging and data transfer, so you can juice up and sync up in no time. So that's really it, everyone. VoltMe Innovations is bringing the heat with their V2 Go, Revo 240, 65, and every other products out there. We've only touched the surface and there's a lot more to it to cover, but we don't have time for today. So whether you're a power user, a gamer, or just someone who hates being tethered to a wall, VoltMe has something for you. And remember, with great power comes the need to even more power. Is that by Superman? I don't even know. Stay charged, stay connected, and I'll catch you in the next video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss out on the latest tech fun. See you next time. Peace out.